So guys, welcome back to my channel guys. This is my a day in my life in school, in the bar, okay? Let's go and let's do it guys. So let's go in the bar para mag-chat-chat na ninyo. Let's go.
Tell me, am I ever gonna
Makikilok.
got a shot glass for the team.
Vlog guys. Vlog guys. Vlog guys. Vlog guys. Amang nahubog ko.
Sila tayo para mahubog ka nila.
Yan.
Ako na pablo.
Guys tayo. Guys. Tip ko na lang kayo guys kapag nasugan na may kwan guys. Chat guys. Let's go.
Tell me, am I ever gonna feel again? Tell me, am I ever gonna heal again? Got a shot glass for the team.
So guys.
How about all these diamonds running down my face? And I ain't letting none of it go to waste. Got a shot
Ang hirap pa is kung guys group 1 pang guys. Group 1 ha. Mapay guys. Please guys. Update ko na lang kayo guys kapag nasa ulit ko guys. Chat guys. So please update lang kasi this is so exciting. This is so 100 promise. Guys, go ha.
over the past, I can wash it away. I was cold, I'm freezing, stuck in a permanent season. We both know you're the reason. I'm not the same as before, I don't feel anymore.
Buang ka. Manil natin para matulog yan.
So, direta guys. Direta. guys. So, dito na lang muna ako guys. O, gumana may kwan guys. Klase guys. So, please guys, hubog na kayo ko. So guys. So, gumana may kwan ito guys. Shot guys. So, karon paulin ako guys. Paulin ako. So, karon, hubog na mga karon. I am so drunk guys. I'm so drunk. So, update na lang muna ako guys. Og, pakali lang ako guys. Og, nakasakay na ako sa multicab guys. So, chat lang muna ako. Or, update na lang muna ako guys. So, goodbyes. So, bye-byers. So guys, so nakarin ako guys. So nan ako sa perpihon guys. So update na lang muna ako pag nan ako sa kwarto. Nakailis na ako sa kon guys. Basta okay, sorry kayo kay hubog ko karon. I'm so drunk, promise, I'm so drunk. So bye guys. So guys, nakarin ako guys. So thank you for watching for my videos of my Barton bar Nokan, and I hope you will subscribe, like and share. Goodbye. See you for next video ha. Bye bye yours. Tog na ko guys, kay hubog na kay ko ha.